What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It is April 4th, 5:21 a.m. over on the East Coast. Today, we're going to take a look at XRP / the US dollar. We are on a weekly chart. We are on the tradingview.com platform. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. A lot of the viewers are not yet subscribed, so go ahead and do that and you will be notified and updated when we upload these videos. And thank you, as always, to all of the current subscribers taking time out of their day to check out these videos. Greatly appreciate it. So we're going to take a look at a couple different scenarios here for the XRP token, and let's check this thing out. Like I said, we are looking at the weekly time frame. There is a lot of opportunity with XRP here. At least that's what the charts are telling us. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a weekly time frame. We're going to take some Fibonacci's and we are going to lay them out here. We're going to take candle bodies. You could take the wick up in here. So this is back in 2018, but we are going to take just the candle bodies for this video example. So we'll take the candle body up in here, right around that looks like 275 area for the weekly. And we'll come down to right about there, 14 cents or so. And what is this telling us? So you can see all of the overhead fib levels, which are areas of potential resistance. Assuming XRP moves higher, which we think that will unfold here in the weeks and months ahead. You can see over in this time frame here in April, May of 2021, that if we're using the weekly time frame, if we're using the candle body swing high from over here in 2018 down to this March of 2020 low, you could see that we wicked all the way up in here to the 618 fib level, right around $1.76. Found resistance there, pulled back, found some support right in here at the 236, chopped around, and we have been consolidating and coiling up. And like a spring, this thing will move at some point here. And I think we are closer now than we have been in a very long time. So anyways, getting back to the fib levels, you can see these white horizontal lines on the chart, all different areas, all different Fibonacci numbers, and potential areas of overhead resistance for XRP moving forward. So besides this giant consolidation right here, which will be released at some point, there is a lot of energy built up and it will be released at some point. Just like over in here, when we had all this energy, let me circle it, all this energy built up over here, I would have been saying the same thing then, that all that energy needs to be and will be released at some point. And you can see the reaction we got was a massive move to the upside, releasing all of that energy that was built up. So let's take a zoom out here and you will see all of the fib levels to the north, to the upside here for XRP. So if you believe that we are going to print a new all-time high for XRP, which that is the side I am on. And if you believe that all of this energy down in here, which I had circled, will be released, well, your first target would be the 1618 fib level. And that would do two things. That would do one, it would get it past the all-time high, which is that $3.30 range. And two, that would take it up to that next potential price target overhead resistance at the 1618 fib level. And that correlates just about around a $4.30, give or take, price level for XRP. So that would give it two things, like I said, new all-time high, and then it would give it an area to shoot for using the fib level on the weekly chart here. So that would be the 1618 at a $4.37 XRP. So moving on up from there, we have another fib level. That's the 2618. That's right around a $6.90, give or take, XRP. And moving on up from there, the 3618 is a $9.50 XRP. And a bigger move, the 4236, $11 XRP. So you can see the potential here for XRP moving forward. And like I said, this energy will be released at some point. I believe upside is where it's going. So where it stops, all we can basically do is follow this thing day by day, week by week, and you can have these fib levels on the chart to give you a little bit of a target, some guidance as of where the price may stop or find support using these fib levels. So where it gets a little more interesting is if we zoom out a bit and look at some even higher fib levels for XRP. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can tell, we are moving up quite a bit here. You probably can't even see the price chart anymore. That is fine. You know it's there. All right, that's enough here. So moving even higher here. So this is obviously the ultimate scenario, and this isn't even the ultimate scenario. There's triple digit XRP price targets using a giant channel moving to the upside. So you can see moving up in here, 21, the 21 fib level gets it up to a $54 XRP. That would be face melting if you ask me, when we are currently trading today at 82 cents. And then a full 34 Fibonacci level gets it up to a $88 XRP. That would be quite incredible, but nothing compared to what the rising channel would say. And that shows a triple digit, couple $100, I believe it's like a $300 give or take XRP. So all of this is not much compared to those triple digit prices, but this is quite incredible when you're literally sitting at 82 cents right now, and it's coiling up like a spring. There is a ton of potential energy built up in XRP right now. There's a lot of FUD out there, SEC nonsense. There's a lot of fear right now. My opinion, great time to be accumulating something that you believe in long term when there is lots of fear and uncertainty. So pretty incredible here. Like I said, we're on the weekly chart. So full 34 fib using that 2018 high down to that low in 2020 gets you up to a $88, give or take, XRP. Quite incredible. So let's take another look here. Let's go ahead and we'll get rid of these. I'm going to reload the chart. Otherwise, I'll probably have a pop-up any moment now. So we are back on the weekly chart still. And we are also forming a cup with handle here for XRP. Basically, here's our cut pattern, our very smooth pulled up here. And then we have our handle forming right in here. So how high this thing goes up to the right side, that is a big unknown. Do not know that, but there is a cup with handle forming. At least that's what it looks like. Now, I'm sure it's not perfect, but it looks pretty darn good and hard to argue with here. So I just wanted to point that out. Interesting. These are extremely bullish and powerful patterns that do break to the upside with lots of power, and they have a very high success rate as well. So also we have this, basically you could throw a trend line on here and you can see, now this is not going to be perfect, but you'll get the idea here. Something along those lines. And you can see as well with this that we have wicked above this many times and have yet to basically close above it, at least on the weekly time frame. So this is also a little bit more of a zoomed in look, but a break to the upside would be expected as well. So we will see what happens here. Like I said, I think we are closer now than we have been in a very long time. Time will tell. I can tell you that the chart is wearing people out. People who have been holding this for months to years are getting tired, and they are waiting for a large move, which has yet to come. And that's what the market does. The market will shake you out, wear you out, either by price or by time. So either the price will continue perhaps in one direction or the other that is not in your favor, or a move will take much longer than you expect and you will throw in the towel and too much time will go by. And usually when you do that, the market moves and you miss out and you end up chasing it. None of that is good. So whatever your conviction is, whatever your reasoning is for holding, let's call it XRP for this example, until that reason goes away or until that reason fails, my opinion, not financial advice, there is no reason to change your original thought. So that is what we're sticking with. Like I said, not financial advice. We believe this thing is going much higher. And you just got to have patience and let it play out. And until that reason is no longer there, we believe that there is no reason to change that original decision and get rid of something like XRP. So you can see the potential of XRP. Go ahead, throw a weekly chart on your screen, TradingView, whatever platform you use. We took the candle bodies up in here from 2018. Swing high, then we took the candle body down in here. Looks like it was 2020 in March, swing low, and gave us those overhead projections for XRP. And you can see double-digit XRP really isn't too much to ask for when the even step back approach shows a couple $100 XRP. Although we did not show that in this video, we will definitely bring that back up into sooner than later. It's quite interesting to see how that rising channel has been playing out over the years. So, all right, everybody, that is going to wrap it up for this video. As always, thank you once again. Links are down in the video description, Patreon page. Also wanted to show that The crypto fear and greed index is sitting basically still at neutral at 52. So not too much to do with that. It's a more powerful indicator when we are sitting at extremes. So whether that's extreme fear, which would be on the left-hand side, or extreme greed on the right-hand side, basically sitting neutral right now. So for what it's worth, just want to check that out and bring that up if you are not familiar with it. I believe it's the CNN Fear and Greed Index, or similar to that, but it's for crypto. If you do a search, it'll pop up on your screen. Have a great day. It is Monday. Keep your eye on the markets. Keep your eye on XRP. Look for a break to the upside. We are watching quite closely. I believe it's like 87 cents or so. I'll have to go back and take a look. Basically, not too far where we're at now. We want to see a break above that. So it might be a little higher, actually. I'm not too sure. I have to go back and check. So, all right, everybody. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care.